Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video of login application designing, we have learned that how we can install React navigation library for routing purpose, and we designed this layout also with the help of React navigation library. Now we have to learn in this video that whenever I click on this login button, if username password is okay, then go to welcome screen. Otherwise it give the warning or the information that username password is wrong. Or if we click on a register window, then we should have the register activity also. So for that, I create one more component under this screen. It's called register.jsx, and here I create one more component that will be as a register we will use, and here in routes we will insert this also. So I just insert here register, and here also I just put register like this. Save. Now on the click of a login button, we want to go to welcome screen. So here is the button, login button. So I say on press, I need to say open login, and on the click of register button, so I say on press open register like this function. Now I need to make some modification. Remember that this login component is coming from the routes here. So this login component automatically will have a property called navigation. So here we have to use props. First of all, props is here. So under this props we have some property, so some objects. So I say const, here I say navigation that we have from the props like this. We have navigation here. With the help of this navigation we will navigate to the component. So first of all I create a function. The function name is const open login. We say open, not a login, open welcome. Login is already open welcome screen. So I say open welcome like that way, and here I say if username equal to you can say Vipin, and password of that is equal to I can say classes, Vipin classes. Then I need to say that navigate to welcome screen like this. Else we can say alert message dot alert, that we can say warning, and we say here that user name or password is wrong like this. Save this. One more function we have to create, that is const open register, and this also use arrow function, and here also I just navigation dot navigate to the register like this. Save this. Now we try to see if it is okay or not. Suppose I say here Vipin, and I say in the password classes. So I say login undefined object navigation. This object is not found. That is the problem. Sorry, spelling is mistake. Navigation is the name of the object, that is navigation. So that is the navigation. Again I need to change it to navigation, this also to navigation. Save this. Once again we try to say this login, and you see welcome screen, we reach to the welcome screen. Then we click back. Here we can click on register. You see automatically we go to register screen. Click to back. If we have wrong username password, something else we enter, click login. So it will generate that warning, username password is wrong. Like this application is working right now. You see, we have just navigate to this, to the welcome screen, to the register screen if username password is okay. And if this application link with database, so dynamically we can fetch the username and password from the database also, or we can make a dummy database here for matching this, that we will see in later videos also. But here we have seen that how we can navigate to the welcome screen or register screen. You see, click here, go to register screen. You can design your register screen here, and for welcome screen, if the username password is okay, I say classes, click here, and you will see that we will go to welcome screen. Here we are not getting the name of the user, which is login, like Vipin is login here. So if you want to display or pass some information from this login screen to this welcome screen, means you want to pass some data from one screen to another screen, from one activity to another activity, that we will see in next video also. In this video we learn how we can navigate from one login screen to the welcome screen. We can go back, and how we can navigate from register, clicking on button from login screen to the register screen, that we learn in this video. I think you learned something from this video. If you learn, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.